everyone, welcome to Crafty Shenanigans. I'm Shannon Smith, and you know, it's that crazy Christmas time of year and I've got family here, so I just wanted to pop in with just a quick video. And we just got together as a family and made fun clear glass ornaments with the just crayon shavings. And so we're just going to show you what we did and show you how to do that. Okay, so what we did is everybody has that bag of crayons at the end of the school year if you've got kids, or just all those broken crayons. So I just kind of saved those because they're fun for all kinds of crafts, but this is one of my favorite things to do with them. So I just took those crayons and I just used a pencil sharpener and shaved them into all these little shavings. And so we are going to use these inside of a clear glass ornament. It is important that you get glass. And these are great. This is something I actually bought these last year after Christmas because you can find them on clearance so cheap. And so we're just going to go ahead and fill these with various colors of crayons. This one you can see I put all kinds of different colors. I did a mixture of different purples. And so we are just all going to have fun doing that, and then we'll give you an update in just a second. So go ahead and pull the tab off the top. I guess it's a tab, I don't know what you call it, the little stopper ornament holder thing. And then go ahead and you can just put your shavings inside. I'm just going to use these tweezers, and I am just going to use that to put some of the shavings inside. And we'll just work with those. Okay. So now I've got these in here. I'm just going to take my heat tool, and actually I just pulled out a pair of tongs so that I have something to hold on to my ornament without me getting burned. And I'm just going to use my heat tool to go ahead and warm up those crayons and melt them. So let's just go ahead and give that a shot. Okay, so then I will just keep on adding more and more layers to this. Okay, so I'm just adding more of that crayon wax. And we'll just keep on adding that and just spinning our ornament around as we heat it. So I will just go ahead and proceed, and you can watch the magic happen. Okay, so you can see I've added some more. And I'm just going to keep on adding different colors. I think I'll just add something a little bit different this time and kind of have a fun swirl going on. And you don't want to get too contrasting of colors, because with the melting and everything, you might end up with brown ornaments unless that is your jam. But just kind of go gradual. You can always add more. So you can see you can do all kinds of fun things. If you have a Cricut or something like that, you can actually even just cut like a monogram or something and add to it. You can make it as fancy as you want. We'll show you our finished projects at the end, but for now I think we're going to go ahead and just show some of the other color combinations and other fun things that you can do with your ornaments. Merry Christmas! Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you got maybe a fun idea for a quick last-minute gift. Thank you so much for all of your support in getting this channel going, and Happy New Year!